Hello and welcome to our video on the top 5 affordable motorcycles in the Philippines that you should know. As a country where motorcycles are the primary mode of transportation, the Philippines is home to a wide variety of motorcycle brands and models. However, not all of them are created equal when it comes to affordability. In this video, we'll be highlighting some of the best options for those looking for a motorcycle that won't break the bank. When it comes to buying a motorcycle, price is always a crucial consideration. Luckily, there are plenty of affordable options available in the Philippines. Here are our top 5 picks. Number 5. The Yamaha Mio Sporty. One of the most popular motorcycles in the Philippines is the Yamaha Mio Sporty. This sleek and sporty model is perfect for those who want a stylish ride without breaking the bank. The Mio Sporty boasts a fuel-efficient engine, making it an excellent option for commuters. It is also easy to maneuver and features a comfortable seat, making it an ideal choice for long rides. Number 4. The Honda TMX Supremo. For those in search of a reliable and durable motorcycle, the Honda TMX Supremo is an excellent option. This classic model has been a favorite among Filipinos for decades, thanks to its sturdy build and low maintenance cost. The TMX Supremo is a great choice for both beginner and experienced riders, as it is easy to handle and offers excellent stability on the road. Number 3. The Suzuki Raider R150. The Suzuki Raider R150 is one of the most powerful motorcycles in its class, making it an excellent option for those who crave speed and performance. Despite its impressive power, the Raider R150 is surprisingly affordable, making it an excellent value for money. The motorcycle is perfect for those who want a thrilling ride without breaking the bank. Number 2. The Kawasaki Roser NS160. If you are in the market for a motorcycle that combines style, performance, and affordability, the Kawasaki Roser NS160 is an excellent choice. This sleek and modern model is powered by a fuel-efficient engine that delivers excellent performance on the road. It also features a comfortable seat and a smooth ride, making it perfect for both city and long-distance rides. Number 1. The Yamaha SZ. Topping our list of the top 5 affordable motorcycles in the Philippines is the Yamaha SZ. This entry-level motorcycle is perfect for beginner riders who want a reliable and affordable option. The Yamaha SZ is easy to handle, features a comfortable seat, and boasts excellent fuel efficiency. It is also one of the most affordable options on the market, making it an excellent value for money. And that's a wrap for our video on the top 5 affordable motorcycles in the Philippines that you should know. We hope that this video has been helpful in your search for the perfect motorcycle. Whether you are a beginner rider or simply looking for a budget-friendly option, these motorcycles are sure to deliver excellent value for money. Thanks for watching!